Welcome back to the Practically Blind Workshop. Today I am going to be upcycling this small drawer unit. I'm not quite sure where this drawer unit came from. I believe my granddad might have made it. It's quite crudely put together with nails and boards. There's massive gaps everywhere. It's quite flimsy, some of it. I think I might just clad the existing carcass to cover up all the gaps. But yeah, let's get started and see what happens. Gonna remove this back panel because it's seen better days. Next, I'm going to cut a new panel for the back of the drawer unit. I've cut the width, now I'm just going to mark the length. That's the new back panel cut. Now I'm going to get it glued and pinned on. Next, I'm going to give the whole thing a quick sand down. Now I'm just going to cut some panels to cover up the sides of the drawer unit, just using some 6mm ply. Now I can get those fixed on. Off camera, I just cut another panel to cover the top. Now I'm going to look at cleaning up these drawers. First I'm going to start by removing all the drawer pulls. So that's all the gaps filled with wood filler, all around the face and all the nail holes. What I've also done is fit some thin pieces of plywood to close the reveals on the drawers because of the gaps are quite large all the way around. So as you can see, the reveals are a lot better than they were. The next thing to do is to sand everything down. What I'm doing now is just marking the position of the draw pulls, because the old ones weren't quite centre. So I'm just using a ruler to draw across the diagonals to mark the centres. I've just got this 3mm brad tipped drill bit, and I'm just going to drill those holes for the draw pulls. Now it's time to give it some paint, and what I've found under my workbench is this